So as I'm digging in the garden, I run into a bumblebee's nest. Oh yeah, had a little bit of a swarm going. I want to show you. We're going to put the camera down there and check it out. We like bumblebees. Bumblebees are good for nature, good for the flowers, good for the garden. They pollinate great. So we're going to keep them around. We just want to make sure that we know where they are and where they're at. They're a little less docile than the old honeybees, so I'm comfortable with those. They're not as bad as hornet or wasps, so we're going to keep them. Come on, let me show you. This is pretty cool. I stuck the shovel in the ground to cover up the bee's entrance, just on a temporary basis. I wanted to get an idea of how big this hive is. By looking at the number of bees surrounding it, it doesn't look like a large hive. You know, it's probably hundreds, whereas some of the honeybee hives could be thousands. So I'm going to assume this is a small hive. The bumblebees like to take over old mouse holes or old chipmunk holes. I gotta believe this is the old chipmunk hole in our yard that's been abandoned. So the bees have taken it over. So I think they're kind of limited to the amount of space that the chipmunk hole may have. Check out the ant in the picture. Kind of funny, he's working just as hard as the bees are. One of the things I found pretty cool is when I took the video and when I fast forward it, I was amazed at all the aphids that were around. When I think about all the creatures that are just sitting in our yard, it's pretty cool.